The view of my channel has officially passed 1 million today. I want to record this video to celebrate this historic moment with my fans. I registered my user account on YouTube in 2014, but I didn't become a YouTuber until 2017. At that time, I was doing a research on the YouTuber universe. The more I research, the more I'm interested in becoming a YouTuber. I found that YouTube is really a good place for me to share my knowledge in business analytics, data science, applied economics, such as our discussion on the US housing market with my students and my fans. I believe each view represents the viewer's support to my channel. So I want to take this moment to thank the 1 million supports from you. Thank you.